Hello and hearty welcome to the course on Outcome-Based Education, PEO, COPO, PSO mapping and attainment for employability. Dear friends, during this course, we will demystify outcome-based education and its implementation from root to fruit integrated approach. Simple, effective, interdisciplinary case studies from employability-centric point of view, along with the learning mechanism by considering curriculum gaps are the major takeaways from the course. Our success is after you, dear friends, and this approach we are going to present during the course for helping you in formulation of PEO, PO, CO, PSO statements, their mapping and attainment. Dear friends, you will self-validate attainment by using discrimination index, and that effectiveness of the method we are going to present during this course. All the terminologies of outcome-based education will be with closed loop by indicating a big picture from employability point of view is the special emphasis of the course. Dear friends, all the PPTs and the videos will be aligned with the captions, and the PPTs will be in the form of pictorial presentation with learning by doing approach. The case studies presented in this course are tested and validated by students' responses, and these are necessarily employability oriented. SCAME approach and KSCB will add an interest factor during this course. The various case studies like engineering, economics, pharmacy, architecture, physics, chemistry, maths, BBA, MBA, BCA, jewelry design, fine arts, BSc chemistry, BEd, BCom, BJMS, multimedia animation, fashion design, hotel management and catering technologies, textile and many more from employability point of view are being covered in this course. The statements of PEO, PSO, PO, CO along with the rubrics, their formulations, their mechanism, their mapping, assessment, evaluation, attainment, observation are being given a complete case study based mechanism type of lookout, which will lead to the further improvement in the newer process with respect to the students' responses, so that the closing loop, the big picture will be created for continuous improvement. Dear friends, we will be very happy to help you to disseminate OBE in true sense in students' learning and their employability approach. Once again, hearty welcome to the course and happy learning. Thank you very much.